Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today I'm going to be making some Bitcoin bull run price predictions. That's right, we're going to make some price predictions for the next leg up on Bitcoin and Ethereum whenever that happens. And I did a previous video on when I believe that might happen. You should check that video out where I say, when will Bitcoin go back up? I will give that away in the video. So when we get back into that bull run, what are the price predictions that we might see for Bitcoin and Ethereum? We're going to talk about that more in today's video. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you like the content. Also, take advantage of the free money in the links in the description down below. $25 when you sign up for crypto.com, and also $4,100 if you sign up for free max using a referral code when you deposit money. That's when you'll get some money to do a trade. So check that out as well. Let's just take a peek at the chart here for the day. So crypto markets, they're way down, and this is a pre-recorded video, so just be aware of that, as these charts are not probably current with what you're seeing. Bitcoin's below 19,000, Ethereum below 1,000 almost. So that's where we're at right now. Let's just take a peek at the Bitcoin chart here. So we are seeing Bitcoin way down from its all-time high of $69,000. Now, the previous bull run, we saw Bitcoin at 20K. The most recent bull run, we saw it at 69,000. So that is a 4x bigger than the previous all-time high. Now, are we going to have a 4x over 69,000? I would say most likely not, because I think that you got to keep in mind diminishing returns, at least for the next leg up. In the long run, definitely over 4x from 69,000. We could have $1 million Bitcoin one day, but that's a long ways away. So what is the next top for Bitcoin? What is the next price prediction for the top of the next bull cycle? Well, I'm going to say I believe that it could be roughly 10x from the bottom. So right now, if we went 10x from the bottom, if we call this bottom, that's $180,000. If you call 20K bottom, that's $200,000. If it goes to 13K, that's $130,000. That's my best prediction. And actually, it makes a lot of sense, because when you think about it, and you look at where Bitcoin, I guess you could say, bottomed, it was about at like 7,000, 6,500. That's really where Bitcoin was hanging out for a lot of this, right at that $7,000 price level for this previous bear market in 2018, 2019. So, and then we went all the way up to just like 70,000. That's about a 10x. I think you could have a 10, maybe a little bit less x on Bitcoin, which is fantastic. If you're buying at these prices, you are going to get a 10x opportunity on Bitcoin. You think that Bitcoin doesn't have 10x's left in it, but it certainly does, especially if you're buying it at the bottom at a lower half of an 80% correction, right? So I'm going to say that I do believe that very reasonably Bitcoin will pass $100,000 in the next bull run for sure. I'm very confident. But how much further than 100,000? I think maybe $200,000 would be possible. Past $200,000 in my mind would be a stretch. I really believe that, unless all of a sudden there was some very particular event that happened in the macro economy where it gave that extra push, where all of a sudden banks started to adopt Bitcoin, right? So that might be the catalyst for trillions of dollars to flow into crypto and Bitcoin. But let's just say, I'm going to say $200,000 is my aggressive price target, and about $150,000, $150,000 is probably my realistic. I would be looking to take some profit as Bitcoin started to pass 110, 120,000 to be safe. And I'd be looking to take profit as it continued to rise. because that's what we got to do. We got to buy when it's low and we got to sell when it's high, but we got to make sure we hold on for the long term. Take profit when you need to cash out a little bit of a profit, right? We don't want to hodl every single thing, never take profit, because if you don't take profit, you never win. What could Ethereum do? Well, let's just take a peek at Ethereum. So Ethereum in 2018 went up to $1,300, almost $1,500, and now we're way below that. We're back to like $1,000. Now, it went all the way down to $143, and it climbed up to $4,667. So that is a very, very, very significant gain. That is much bigger than Bitcoin. So you can see traditionally too that Ethereum has had larger gains and losses than Bitcoin. I think that it's very reasonable for us to see Ethereum break $10,000 in the next bull market. But I'm going to say I don't think it's going to break past $20,000. We could certainly see a $15,000 price target for Ethereum. I'm going to say aggressively 20,000 is the absolute ceiling. I'm going to say realistically I think it's going to fall between $13,000 and $15,000. It's like, so Bitcoin at 130,000 or 150, Ethereum at 13,000 or $15,000 a coin. That's my prediction. So what am I saying? 15x for Ethereum, very, very possibly. 10x for Ethereum, certainly. I think Bitcoin's going to 10x. I think Ethereum's going to 10x. So keep that in mind, guys. So my predictions are Ethereum is going to 13 to 15K. Bitcoin's going to 130, 150K. Ceiling price of 20K for Ethereum and ceiling price of 200,000 for Bitcoin. And if those are going to go up like that, imagine what these altcoins are going to do. That's all I got for you in today's video. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel. And as always, guys, you got a DCA hodl, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.